Good evening, everyone. I'm Enrica Dapishisha Karhunai, and I will be your host this evening. I welcome you all to the grand finale of the dance competition, an initiative of the Don Bosco Media Network Shillong. This event was created to showcase and nurture the incredible talents that exist within Meghalaya. Don Bosco Media Network is committed to promoting positivity and offering a platform for citizens to express their creativity. This competition aims to inspire the youth to move beyond negativity, ego, and laziness, and encouraging them to embrace a life filled with purpose and passion. Tonight, we celebrate the energy, spirit, and the talent of our dancers. But before we start the competition, I would like to call on stage Father Michael Makri, the Director of Don Bosco Youth Center and Managing Director of Don Bosco Media Network. Father Makri believes in the power of the youth and their ability to create a better future for Meghalaya. He is the visionary behind many initiatives, including unbiased media reporting and several competitions such as Kasur Kunut. Through these initiatives, he strives to inspire the youth to rise above societal challenges and recognize that there is more to life than engaging in social evils. Let us listen to him as he welcomes all of us for this competition.
Thank you, Enrica, for the beautiful words of introduction. So, dear friends, kublay pi baro nga nangam nang pareng kena kasima. Di ngayang hang ni hakakerteng jong ka Don Bosco Media, badru hakakerteng jong ka Don Bosco Youth Center. Kamtam hakane ka janmit ban pediang sobha yangi baro siya kane ka competition, ka dance competition. Kabangila penlong menta si benai tam, ar lai teliki round, te mentakas ngi ngila poi siya bakut jong kene ke program. Klempep hakane ka sngi ngap yang sobha yai Father Anthony Harkungor ibadai chief guest jongi. Ngakerpat yai Father Riton Bor ban penkup ka jain yai Father Anthony yai chief guest jongi. Father pilak penuan syakmat kenang bagi pajba kin UEP. Namar bagi ke portlang por kreat tingin berkup ida ka jain. Father Riton Bor idei Assistant Director Jong Don Bosco Youth Center. Tinggi pediang sobhai Father Anthony dah ka banggi penkup dah kene ka jain. Welcome. Ngi pediang sobhar yai Father Sil I beron hang ne. I Father Sil kumba pilatip mensuaru idei kum I trying Jong Don Bosco Youth Center ba Don Bosco Media. Namar isya yarap ingi borobor na kapor isya kapor. Te ngepediang sobhai Father Sil kiwe padar ki sister kiwe ki ngaptip ki bawan Peit kaya kene competition ngapediang sobhai pi baro ngapediang sobharu ya kamtam ya arngut ki briu ki ba special bah ha kene ka competition ki balongru kum ki resort na ka benta jungi ki ba peniat ya kene ka competition but kita kidei I kong Anisha but I kong dapale ki banlongru ki judges ki mentor na ka benta kene ka dancing competition jungi tongin ai ka jing tapti na ka benta kini ki arngut ki balong ki resort jong kene ka competition jungi tengayang hang neru ban diang sobha ei mei pa jong kini ki khna jong kini ki kinong shat mo ki ban ya le competition mendakas ngi kin don sa ndriu tli ki team ki ban ya khun ban yo ya ka first prize ka ba khantai po hajar tangka second prize 10,000 tangka bat ka third prize ka ba khatsan hajar tangka na kan driu team driu ngut kinong shat driu team tang lai ngut kin yo ya ka buskit kiwei pin sa job hakawei pat ka season next year klempep dengan yang subhai mei pa bat ye ki participants baro ngap yang subhai kini ki staff jong Don Bosco Media mo Xavier ni mama idon hangtei utei bog Ban Lee, Piba, Mona, Usar Me Ibor, Bapet Yaka Sound, Jaden Batka Team, Kipapet Yaganega Light, dengan yang subhar Pi Baro Shaganeka competition. Ngam kwa ban kren jrong namar ngi kwa baka program kan kut kloi namar ba ka dei ka por krian. Te kumbala ai ha ka mai phang I Enrica I host jungi ila ai jing kren cha phang ka jing mu jong ka ne ka competition. Kata ka dei ka banga kwa ban sa sin. Ngi pelong ye ka ne ka competition na ka banta ban ai man sim kam tam e ki khana samla jungi. Mo ba bun sin ki don kasap Henry Kim Don ka platform. Tinggi ko aban ai kata ka platform ho ide jinsang ibarit klempep ngidang bun bahagi jinduna klempep dang bun bahagi jinit gijanat ki bang ngihap ban nyale biang ngihap ban puson biang ban pen bahas shu haki season ki banwan hadin nalor kata ka donbosco media ringkat bar donbosco youth center kange hakawei ka pang kata kadei ban ai mensim ban ai man sim om tang igi participants dari ban ai man sim yak imlang kasalang naki kam barit baria ka ba mangingile takadaw kini ki jinshat ki competition ba pair ka bangingi penyai kalong ban ai man sim ban create kata ka positivity haka society tetang kini kintin sa jisin ngap yang sobai pi baro sya kanega program to ai ba kanega program kanlong inspiring na kabanta jungi da ka bangi Peit ikini kinong shat ya kasap ka pong mamaki kidon kumbau blei lu akar kui ki blei lu akar kui ngiro kisap ki pong mamangiru kumaki kum kini kinong shat ngin pendon kam hok ya kita kisap ki pong jungi na ka benta ka borong mu blei to sa jisin most welcome to all of you ku blei shibon.
Thank you, Father. We are warmed up this evening with your welcome speech. Tonight we reach the final round of the step battle competition, which has been an exciting journey with 4 rounds in total. So 3 rounds have already taken place over the past months, and today we have the best of the best competing for the 3 spots. 6 talented dancers, both solo and in groups, will battle in out for the first, second, and third prizes to take away home with 90,000, 45,000, and 15,000 rupees. Are you all excited? Okay, so let's kick off the final round with our first competitor, a group called Ace Maracus. Let's give them a warm welcome.
Ace Maracus, please go on stage. After that, Sana, please get ready. LSC Duo, please get ready. Meghalaya, Priyanki, MDA will be the last.
My name is Piwanda and my style is freestyle.
My name is Rikashisha and my style is contemporary.
My name is Happy and my style is locking.
My name is Suzanne and my style is hip-hop.
And I'm Freddy and my style is Afro. And that's how we form Ace Maracus.
All style united in one. Ace Maracus.
Well, looky here, what do we have? Another pretty thing ready for me to grab. But little does she know that I'm a wolf and she's clothing. Cause at the end of the night, it is her I'll be holding. I love you so, hey, that's what you'll say. You'll tell me, baby, please don't go away. But when I play, I never stay. So every girl that I meet, yeah, this is what I say. Run away, baby, before I put my spell on you. You better get away, darling, cause everything you heard is true. Your poor little heart will end up alone, cause Lord knows I'm a rolling stone. So you better run away, baby. Even if you are not ready for the day, it cannot always be night. Sir, flex I do work. 6 up like Mike. He's out of sight. Whoa, you done got me pipe. 2 man like Ike. 6  6 at the spot into the night. 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 6 at the spot into the ni
girls to shrink themselves, to make themselves smaller. We say to girls, you can have ambition, but not too much. You should aim to be successful, but not too successful, otherwise you will threaten the man. We teach girls that they cannot be sexual beings in the way that boys are. Feminist, a person who believes in the social, political, and economic equality of the sexes.
जद पत्थर रांझा पिघलेगा तद मैं कमली कहलावांगी तद मैं कमली कहलावांगी जग सोया नी मैं जगे अनमीदानम मेरे माहिया सनम जानम कि वे करे अनमीदानम शब गुजरी ते जग सोया नी मैं जगे अनमीदानम नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली मैंने यार दी नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली मैंने यार दी झील दिल को कर गया तू मोहल्ले में हर शाम तेरा आलम शब गुजरी ते जग सोया नी मैं जगे अनमीदानम मेरे माहिया सनम जानम कि वे करे अनमीदानम शब गुजरी ते जग सोया नी मैं जगे अनमीदानम मेरे माहिया सनम जानम गुजरी ते जग सोया नी मैं जगे अनमीदानम नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली मैंने यार दी नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली कमली मैंने यार दी नी मैं कमली कमली 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 मैंने यार दी नी मैं कमली कमली नी मैं कमली
Thank you, Ace Maracus, for that amazing performance. The idea behind this competition is to offer a platform where Meghalaya's youth can showcase their passion and talent. This is about more than just dancing. It's about creating a positive and healthy environment where talent is celebrated. And we are glad to witness such talents today. Next, we have Sana, who will be performing a solo dance. Let's welcome her on stage.
When my eyes are on you, 숨막힐 듯한 전율로 you know you get me loose, make me go bitter bitter. I dance slow made for two, 다리 부르는 선율로 it's only me and you, make me go bitter bitter. You bring the demon out of me, blame it all on your body. We might be an outlet, we ain't got no time to waste. 꿈을 꾸는 기분이야 잡은 손을 놓지 마 내일은 안 중요해 이 순간을 몰입해 Oh I got plenty I won't send them all but if you there ain't many Said it when it rains so I'm slow and I'm steady We can't move this slow on a belly Oh You say you need a true love Someone to kiss and hug That you're feeling for some touch I could be all there and above I just hope that I'm enough Cause I don't ever do this When my eyes on you 숨막힐 듯한 전율로 You know you get me loose Make me go bitter bitter A dance I made for two 다리 부르는 선율로 It's only me and you Make me go bitter
Ready?
For what?
I'm about to teach you how to dance today.
Teach me how to dance?
Sure. You know what I'm saying? I could really show you some.
Yeah. Let me catch your vibe. Let's just take our time. Just relax your mind. And take it easy. Don't have to decide. You do, I do. I don't have to be mine. Let's take it easy. Let me so far, babe. We've been through the 305 highway. Loving how you ride in the fast lane. Made me wanna say that's my babe. Yeah. Then it gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look too thirsty. But your drip got me feeling way, way. Make you feel lucky, lucky. Make you wanna love me, baby, when you with me, baby. Got no worries, worries. I love it when you touch me. Feeling so lovely, lovely. Make me wanna love me. Make me feel lucky, lucky. Let me catch your fire. Let's just take our time. Just relax your mind and take it easy. Don't have to decide. You do, I do. I don't have to be mine. And take it easy. And take it easy. When you pull up on my side, babe, speeding down a 101 highway, moving too fast, couldn't see the play, but you see the look in my face, so you know what it is. Pedal to the metal, on gas, no way. Girl, I would never get in your way. I'ma shut up and let you drive. Put that thing to the floor, one for the ride. Make you wanna love me, baby, when you with me, baby. Got no worries, I love it when you touch me, feeling so lovely, lovely. Make me wanna love me, make me feel lucky, lucky. Let me catch your fire, let's just take our time, just.
Thank you, Sana, for the energetic performance. It's bittersweet that the competition is coming to an end with tonight's final, but don't worry, there's more to look forward to. Let me tell you about the Kasurkan Oud singing competition coming soon with a grand prize of 1 lakh. The winner will also represent Meghalaya on the international stage. Shavinia, the winner of the first season, was awarded at the UK Vocal Star competition. And Ellery Karkungor, the winner of season 2, has auditioned for The Voice USA. And who knows, maybe one of you will be the winner of the 3rd season. You can enroll for the competition now by visiting our website, www.realkasurkanood.com, or by picking up a form at the venue. Go ahead, hit that button, and register. Now let's welcome our next performers, LSC Duo, with their captivating dance.
तेरे नैना बस दिए बस गई तेरे दिल में तेरे नैना
ये प्यार की है बातें कुछ कहीं गुना वैसे ही मिलते हैं मिलके मचलते हैं दो दिल जवान
सिलसिला ये चाहत का न मैंने बुझने दिया मैंने बुझने दिया और यहाँ चल रहे थे हम और यहाँ चल 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 चल
Thank you, LSC Duo, for that stunning performance. Let's take a brief break to hear an inspiring message from our chief guest. Our chief guest for this evening is Reverend Father Anthony Karkangor. He's currently the principal of St. Anthony's St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Shillong, a youth coordinator, a lover of young people, an enthusiast sports person, and dancer. He is in the right place this evening to be the chief guest. Father, the stage is yours.
Ladies and gentlemen, Reverend Father Michael Macri, Director of Donbosco Youth Center, Reverend Father Rittenbor, the Youth Delegate of Shillong Province, Reverend Father Sylvester Sinram, the Parish Priest of Lightcore, Reverend Father Primus, who has just arrived from Italy today, and you esteemed judges, and my dear lovers, energetic, lovers and passionate young people, especially lovers of those who have come to witness the Step Battle S1 Grand Finale. I'm thrilled to be standing here surrounded by so many talented and passionate young people. Looking at the dance performance today, I'm reminded that dance, or the power of dance that brings us together, inspire us to transcend borders and boundaries. Dance is not just an expression. It is a language that speaks directly to the heart, and it expresses its communication through its energetic skills, through stories, and connecting us into a deeper level. And I could see that our young people are so talented, and we thank the organizers for taking a step from ka surkanot to another step where they open up for young people who have been blessed with so much of energy. And now dance could also be, a place of job that could render to young people. Many young people are looking for a job, but yet some of you have been blessed with so much. Some of you perhaps you may not be good at studies. Some of you perhaps may not have nothing to do, but you're blessed with skills and talents that can inspire young people. And I wish that those who have such talents should not hide, but come out and expose. And that could also be perhaps an eye-opener or an eye-opening to many young people that you could start a business. I was asking to the judges whether what they are doing. They told me that they are running a dance academy, and through it they are also earning. We also have, nowadays when we go to different schools, and the schools used to conduct different events, different programs, like for example sports. Now every school is performing drill. Now to have everyone to become dancers, it's impossible. So we need some good dancers. And fortunately, we have dancers who have really made use of it, and they earn through it when we hired them to come and teach young people or students. Running a dance academy is also another opportunity that could give a placement to many young people that they could also start. So we need not wait for many, many opportunities. We need not wait for a very good job. We can already start with the talents, the skills that God has blessed you, dear young people. And dance can captivate the emotions of every one of us. And that's the beauty of dance. I could see while watching this dance here, it leads each and every one of us towards a journey, a process, and a connection within oneself, within the situation that where we are. And we could see the expression that the dancers were trying to communicate to people, the eye contact, the hands, the legs, the movement is very, very fantastic. So I wish as the dancers are competing with each other, may it not just end up here just for winning or losing, but may it be a journey, a process that leads to an energetic movement that will shake the whole world in bringing us together to stand for a positive impact that could create in the minds of young people. Thank you, and may you have a wonderful evening.
Thank you, Father, for that encouraging and thoughtful words. Now let's continue with the competition and welcome our next performers, Megha Warriors, to the stage.
Three, 2, 1, 0.
सामने हम काबू में कैसे रहे तेरी ऐसी अदा पे तो फिदा हम है
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
खिलखिलाती लड़कियां जिनके दीवाने तुम भी तो हो हंसती गाती लड़कियां खिलखिलाती लड़कियां चाहती सब क्या है ये सुनो इन सब के मन इनकी धड़कन सुनो जरा सपने क्या है इन आँखों में दिल में है क्या अरमान Girls like to swing.
Let's go, girl.
जरा आगे निकल के नए रंगों में ढल के अंदाज बदल के मस्ती में है जीना जीवन रस पीना ये बात हुई ना Girls like to swing. जरा आगे निकल के नए रंगों में ढल के अंदाज बदल के हिचकिचा रही है मस्ती में है जीना जीवन रस पीना ये बात हुई ना अब शर्माना नहीं है
Thank you, Megha Warriors, for that incredible performance. Next up is Priyanki. Let's give him a big round of applause as he takes the stage.
बोले चूड़िया बोले कंगना हाय मैं हो गई तेरी साजना तेरे बिन जियो नहीं यो लगदा मैं ते मर गईया ले चले जा सोनिया ले चले जा बोले चूड़िया बोले कंगना हाय मैं हो गई तेरी साजना बोले चूड़िया बोले कंगना हाय मैं हो गई तेरी साजना तेरे बिन जियो नहीं यो लगदा मैं ते मर गईया
Thank you, Prangsi, for that incredible performance. A big thank you to everyone here and to those watching live on YouTube, OTT, and local cable TV channel 279. One of the greatest things about Donbosco Media Network is not just its unbiased news reporting or the platform it provides for the talented individuals to showcase their skills, like in today's dance competition or the various singing competitions it has organized. It also recognizes young people who have become role models for others in Meghalaya. 3 years ago, the dbmnTv Youth Icon Award was introduced, with One Reaping Rope being the first recipient for her contributions to society. Last year, the Pali Stacey Warjri was honored by Chief Minister Conrad Sangma for her impact on society through her dance academy. And this year, the platform is open to you. If you know someone who has made a difference and can be an inspiration to others, you can nominate them for the Youth Icon Award. The award includes 50,000, a memento, and a souvenir. The award ceremony will take place on January 35 of 2025. So don't miss it. For more details, visit the dbmnTV office. Now let's welcome MDA for their performance.
हे फिर देख रहा है, आज आंख सेक रहा है, कल हाथ सेकेगा, आज ढील छोड़ रहा है, कल खुद ही रोकेगा, आज मेरे लिए चेयर खींच रहा है, कल मेरी स्कर्ट खींचेगा, खींचेगा कि नहीं? अक्कड़ बक्कड़ बम्बई बो 80-90 पूरे 100 रुपए का दम जो लूं 200 गम हो उड़न छू ऊंचे से ऊंचा बंदा पोटी पे बैठे नंगा फिर काहे की सोसाइटी साली काहे का पाखंडा भेजे से कलेजे से मिट जाए हमारोगे तो जियोगे हमारा दम चाहे लीला चाहे राम इन दोनों के लव में दुनिया का क्या काम इनका तो फंडा है सिंपल सा यार गोली मारो तो पंगा आंख मारो तो प्यार राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम इन दोनों के लव में दुनिया का क्या काम रख पॉकेट में घोड़ा दे घोड़े को लगाम राम चाहे लीला चाहे राम चाहे लीला दोनों के लव में दुनिया का क्या काम राम get money oh राम लीला get money
Thank you, MDA, for the incredible display of talent. As the judges are calculating the scores, may I now invite Father Redonbor, the Assistant Director of Don Bosco Youth Center, to propose the vote of thanks, after which Father Makri will announce the winners.
So fast. A very good evening to dear fathers, parents, participants, and every spectators that you have come this evening. I wish there could have been many more groups to continue the performances, but yet we have come to the end. But I'm sure since this is the first season, I wish in the next season there will be more participants. So an invitation to many others to join the competition. So I stand here on behalf of everyone, especially the DBYC community. It is my honor and privilege to extend a heartfelt word of thanks to all those who have made this event a grand success. In the first place, our gratitude goes to our esteemed Chief Guest, Father Anthony. We are deeply grateful to you, Father, for your presence, for your inspiring words, your support and encouragement mean a lot to us. To other fathers present, we sincerely thank you for your constant guidance and for being with us in this momentous event. A special thank you to the parents of the dancers for your unwavering support, sacrifices, and for nurturing the talent we witnessed today. To our brilliant dancers, we appreciate the hard work, dedication, and passion you put into your performances. Your energy truly brought the event to life. A heartfelt gratitude to the judges, Ms. Anisha and Dapale, for sharing your expertise and precious time with us. Your judgment is much appreciated by all of us. A big thank you to the Don Bosco Media Network under the guidance of Father Makri for your excellent coverage and ensuring that this event reached a wider audience. A word of gratitude goes to Sir May Ibor. We appreciate your technical expertise in managing the sound system, making sure every performance was heard in perfect clarity. To Jaden and his team, thank you for your exceptional work with the lighting. The atmosphere created by your team added so much to the experience. A special mention of gratitude to all the Salesians, staff, and boys of DBYC community for your continuous efforts, hard work, and commitment in making this event happen smoothly. We would also like to express our sincere thanks to our sponsors, Sarah and Catherine, for their generous contributions and support. To all those who are part of the competition, the organizers, participants, and volunteers, your contribution has made this event truly memorable. Last but certainly not the least, we express our deepest gratitude to Father Michael Makri, the director of this DBYC. Father, you are the true architect behind this magnificent venture, and we are extremely grateful for your vision, dedication, and leadership that made all of this possible. Once again, thank you to each and everyone who has contributed to this wonderful occasion. We look forward to more such successful collaborations in the future. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you, Father.
As the judges are calculating the tally the points, I have got few announcements before we announce the result. So we are so lucky to have Father Anthony as a chief guest and to give more opportunity, not only in singing, not only in dancing. You know what is next coming up? Father Anthony said, we shall have carol singing competition. It's open to all. And the prize is The winner will be 50,000 and the runners-up 25,000. So please get ready for the carol singing competition. It will be held here at the same place on the 23rd of December evening. 23rd, okay. The chief guest himself, the organizer himself is here. He will tell us more.
It's a Christmas carol choir competition, groups. So different churches, different groups, they can participate. And also, Christmas carol, Christmas carol dancing competition also group. It's not solo. So the price is also remains the same. Okay, for the dancing it's 50 plus 25. So dancers, those who are here in the group dance, you can prepare, okay, Christmas dancing competition and also Christmas carol singing competition on the same day, 23rd. So first come, first serve. So limited seats. We will take only 10 groups each. Thank you.
Okay, we have the second runners-up of All India Dance Championship. Michael Karwanlang Banwan Shakmat Ban Peni Yaka Steps Kabi Internet. Hey guys, let us welcome him on stage. Come on, give him a big round of applause. Yes! Yes. Okay, ready? Music ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Hello. Very good, Michael. You are exactly like me, since we are both are Michael. Okay, very good. Tingil apoy siya kabenta kabakut, mat kabenta kabalong. Very important because I am going to announce who will take away the 90,000 rupees together with the memento, the check, the certificates, and who will take away the 45,000 memento, the check, certificate, and the 15,000 rupees, the check, and the certificate. Of course, all of you will receive the certificate of participation. Dear participants, dear contestants, you have all done very well. All of you are winners actually. Can you give yourself a big round of applause? Because you have really done very well. So much so that our judges are finding difficult to award the first prize, the second prize, and the third prize. Which means there's so much of talents, there's so much of energy in all of you. So therefore, I applaud you. I congratulate all of you for this exceptional skill you have shown this evening and also in the past 1 month. So therefore, to distribute the certificate, may I invite Father Primus. Father Primus was our assistant director. He was in Rome. But for today, for the competition, he came all the way from Rome to give the certificates to all of you. May I invite all the participants, all of you, from first group, AC Maracus, Sana, LSC Duo, Megha Warriors, Priyanki, MDA. Please come on stage and receive your certificate. All of you, please come on stage. All the participants, please come up on stage. Come on, let us not delay. All the participants, please come on stage. Come. Yes, Sana, you are the leader. Come. Yes. Sana, Priyanki, very good. MDA girls. Next, come on. Megha Warriors. Okay, stand in line. Okay, very good. Come on, guys, give them a big round of applause. These are the finalists for this evening's competition. Father, please give them one certificate each. Give to all of them one each. Okay, go. Yes, we have not even written your name. Please write the name by yourself. Take one each. Yes. May I invite on stage Father Anthony, the chief guest, Father Seal, and also Father Shining to come on stage. Father Anthony, our chief guest, Father Seal, our supporter, Father Shining was also here with us in Don Bosco Youth Center for so many years. Okay, the moment of truth has arrived. As I said, all of you have done excellently proud. You have made your parents proud. You have made your dance academy proud. You have made Don Bosco Youth Center, Don Bosco Media Network also proud because of your energetic performance this evening and also on the last 1 month. I really cannot but praise all of you. Shall we once again give you a big round of applause? Yes. I know it is a competition, and in a competition we have winners, we have people who are not winning. But those who are not winning doesn't mean that you are a loser. This stage is always yours. Don Bosco Youth Center is always your place. This time you may not win, but next time you will win because you have the spirit of fighting. You have the spirit of commitment. You have the spirit of dedication. So therefore, definitely you will win in the next round. If not this season, next season you will win. So therefore, as I said, in a competition, we have winners, we have people who cannot win. So for this evening's competition, we have in the third place, who? In the third place, we have Mega Warriors. May I invite the Mega Warriors to come in the front? Mega Warriors to come in the front. Okay. Father Sil will give them the trophy, a small trophy, being the first season. The small trophy. Next season the trophy will be bigger. Come on, the captain or somebody, take the trophy. Take the trophy. And Father Shining will give the envelope. Will give the envelope. Please take the envelope. And Father Anthony, our chief guest, will give the check of 15,000 rupees. Come on, picture time. Picture. Yes. Mega Warriors, you may step back. Now, we have the second prize. A prize worth 45,000 rupees. And the winner in a second position is Maracus. Come on, come front. Father Sil will give the, yes, Father Shining will give the envelope, and our chief guest, Father Anthony, will give the check of 45,000 rupees. Picture time. Fathers, you can come and put a picture. Okay. Ace Maracus, you may step back. And the winner for the first season of Step Battle is MDA. Please come forward. MDA, please come forward. Please come forward. Again, Father Sil will give the trophy. Father Shining will give the envelope. And Father Anthony will give the check of 90,000 rupees. Please come for a picture, fathers. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Change to the next slide. Yes. So, congratulations, dear participants, dear contestants. This is only the beginning. Next year, you will be more surprised with much more bigger awards, bigger cash, because we are getting lots of sponsors. This is the first time. This is the first season. And definitely next season, we will have all of you again. No, I request all of you again to come and take part. Next year, you don't need to pay anymore the registration fee. You are spared from the registration fee for next year. So all of you can take part again. Even those who win the first prize, again you can take part. It's open again to all. Those who are winning the second prize, next year I want to see you first prize. The third will become first. Those who do not get, will get on the top. Okay? So that is all we have for today. Once again, I request all of you dancers, the parents, please go to the lobby. Dinner is served for all of you. Fathers and our two beautiful judges, please go up to the refectory for dinner. So once again, To all of you, dear friends, thank you very much. Good night. See you on the 23rd of December for Christmas Carol competition. Thank you. God bless you all. Woo!